For your activity today, you are going to answer the following question. The table below shows the number of each kind of magazine sold in a store 1 month. Magazine, number sold. There were 15,283 fashion magazines sold. There were 15,236 news magazines sold. There were 21,140 entertainment magazines sold. And there were 21,369 sports magazines sold. The question you have to answer is, which comparison is true? Is fashion greater than entertainment? Is sports less than news? Is entertainment less than sports? Is news less than fashion? Just like we did in the video, you have your place value charts and you have your place value discs. You are going to model each of these 4 numbers with the place value discs and then use your pictorial representation to answer the question. Make sure you turn everything into Google Classroom, and if you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.